text din, yung bahala kayo umintindi. Jeje mo ni English. Bawal ba siyang umakyat? Kasi di ba merong mga ganung pamantayan dito. Okay lang. Is it okay if you will join me on stage? Okay, because I wanna be here. Okay, mo. I'm kind of tired because I have traveled a couple of hours to be here in Dubai, and I deserve a break. I need to sit down for to be able to rejuvenate and rest my breath. Okay, Mogi. Mogi, do you need a microphone? Would you like to use my microphone? It's okay. Just make sure I can use your microphone. Is it a wireless microphone? Or a wired microphone with full of reverb and echo? Ang gwapo nito. Oh my goodness, you are so succulent. What is your nationality? Because I heard you are not Filipino, although you can speak Tagalog. Where are you from, sir? Egyptian. Oh, do you walk like an Egyptian? English. You're Egyptian? Are you a commoner in Egypt, or you're a pharaoh? I'm also from Egypt. I'm a mommy. Do you know him? He's a human pyramid. Joke lang. Pahulas na ng pahulas ang amoy niya habang tumatawag. Oo. Nag-aalaga ka ba ng kalapate pag parang You're from Egypt, so what brought you here? To see me? Oh, thank you so much. I'm so flattered. But I knew already that you have a girlfriend. Yeah, I'm not a snake. I'm a horse. I'm not a snake, I'm a horse. Would you like to ride with me? How old are you? 32. Thirsty? Uhaw? Thirsty? 30. Nagtatagalog siya? Nagtatagalog? I don't give a fucking damn, I can speak in English. You are trying to underestimate my English capacity. I might not be intelligent, but I am academically Hindi naman kabahilan, takpan nyo kasi ito eh. Uy, mga bukas hindi na siya umatid. Uy, binibiro lang kita ha. Ay, naku, ako bahala sa'yo. Nilibre kita shawarma. Masarap ba shawarma sa Dubai? Yes! Kasi yung shawarma sa Pilipinas may Filipino taste, iba na yung approach. Dito masarap, hindi pa ako nakatikim. Have you experienced shawarma already? Oh. What? Tinatagalog niya, sabi niya, maraming beses na. I like your Tagalog, yeah. Who taught you? 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 Oh my God. I almost passed out because I'm so tired. I'm really exhausted. I'm sorry, I almost passed out. It's a good thing you have ammonia here. I was able to revive my, Sabi mo, ba't ba ako nag-abroad pa? Okay. Who taught you our language? Your friends? Oh. How many friends do you have? Declamation? Ending lagi, gago. Antayin mo lang may darating. Masama. Uy, baka napipikon ka sa akin, ha? Biro lang, ha? Kiss. Last na yun, hindi na kayo biro. Okay. So, how long have you been together? Are you exclusively dating or you're already engaged?
tinambok mo